Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Iqbal Sir's Academy. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, मैं आपके लिए सोशल साइंस के टॉप 40 MCQs लेकर आया हूँ। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इन MCQs को अच्छी तरह देखें और बाद में इनको याद करके आप इन क्वेश्चंस को एग्ज़ाम में अच्छी तरह से कर सकें। इससे पहले हम MCQs को शुरू करते हैं। आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन पर भी प्रेस करें। And guys, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, go to the video's description link below and you can join with us. So guys, let's start for the first question. Muslim League demand for Constitutional Assembly, and the options are here. The right option is option A, 2. Go to the second. Who was nominated as a permanent member of Constitutional Assembly? And the correct option is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. उसके बाद है गाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हु वाज द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? हियर आर द ऑप्शंस एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. उसके बाद है गाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. रोलट एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन. हियर आर द ऑप्शंस एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, 1980. उसके बाद है गाइज movement started side by side with non-cooperation movement. Here are the options and the correct option is option C, खिलाफत. उसके बाद है guys when the East India Company was formed, the Mughal emperor in India was, and the correct option is option D, Akbar. उसके बाद है guys question number 7. The British India Society was formed in dash dash, and the correct option is option C, 1839. The treaty between Ranjit Singh and the British was signed at, and the correct option is option B, Amritsar. उसके बाद है गाइज क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ब्रॉट 3 separate presidencies, Madras, Bombay and Bengal, into a common system? And the correct option is option A, Indian Council Act of 1861. उसके बाद है guys who drafted the resolution on the fundamental rights for the Karachi session of Congress in 1931? And the correct option is option B, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. उसके बाद है guys which one of the following began with the Dandi March? And the correct option is C, civil disobedience movement. उसके बाद है गाइज ट्रू फॉल्स, ये आप देख लीजिए. आगे चलते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 है गाइज इज इंडिया ए सेक्युलरिज्म कंट्री? यस. कैन देयर बी डिफरेंट व्यूज विद इन द सेम रिलीजन? यस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज यस, ऑप्शन ए. History provides many examples of discrimination, exclusion and persecution on the ground of, and the correct option is religion, option A. British came to India as, and the correct option is option D, option A, as a trader. आगे चलते हैं guys. Right to freedom of religion is written in Act 25 to 29, option A. Who supports untouchability? Hindu, Muslim, Christian, all of the options, and the correct option is Hindu, option A. The most important aspect of secularism is its of religion from state. Separation include both, separation include none of the options, and the correct option is option A, separation. In which country non-Muslims are not allowed? Saudi Arabia, option A. उसके बाद है guys on the basis of religion can be resisted, and the correct option is all of the options. Public arrangement, morality, health. Which one of the following is a fundamental right? Right to freedom of religion. By Hinduism start in the year 1878. Option A. How many languages are accepted in Indian Constitution? 22 languages. Option A is the correct. Non-interference means respect the sentiments of all religions is the correct answer. Which of the following are included in right to freedom of religion? And the correct option is all of the options are correct. How many languages are mentioned in the 8th schedule? 22 is the right answer. How many population lives on Indian how much population lives on 10% land? And the correct option is 90. The average world density of population per square kilometer is, and the correct option is 45 persons. When did earth population reach 1 billion? And the correct option is 1820. Which industry is considered the backbone of the economy of J&K and Ladakh? And the correct option is tourism. In which year Rambagh Silk Factory was established? And the correct option is 1897 A. Which is an agro-based industry? And the correct option is B. Cotton. Which town is known as electronic capital of India? And the correct option is C. Bengaluru. Which Indian state is leading sugar producer? And the correct option is A. UP. Silicon Valley is located in? And the correct option is option B. California.